Today we're painting Kyle's Jeep orange with some Monstaliners.
General Heat.
General Heat.
All right, guys. So what we're gonna do to start up on the Jeep is we're gonna wash it. Just give it a nice simple wash, and then we're gonna grind down these little stuff here because this Jeep from the factory had plastic cladding. So we're gonna cut those off and grind them down. Probably these little holes, fill them up with some weld. Same thing for the roof mount light bar thing. We're gonna weld up the holes shut. And then we're gonna Scotch-Brite the whole thing and just prep it all out. So yeah. All right, guys, so Kyle did some of his amazing body work on the side. Look at that, perfect. Luckily his Jeep is equipped with a quick disconnect grill, so pretty much it's ready to get taken out. That way we don't have to mask it off, just pull it out the way. All you got to do is disconnect your light right there, and to make it easier, it's missing a tab just to make it easier. Viewers, what you're doing?
Taking off all those stickers and glue.
All right, all stickers and glue is coming off. And up front here, we got the front winch and bumper taken off. Just getting it all ready to get painted. Guys, so now this thing's gonna get a quick rinse off, get all the dirt and sticker dust and shit off. Would you look who showed up?
What's going on?
Freaking Tyler. All right.
Less rusty.
Less rusty. Good enough, right, Kyle?
It says you can paint over rust that shit.
Yep. So good enough. Good enough. Got Kyle here welding up the holes.
Shittily.
It's all right.
It's gonna get rhino lined anyways.
Exactly.
Each one of these welds so much different than the last one. It's like, ah, it's perfect. Like, no, not anymore.
Yep, just getting that fucking blade behind it to absorb some
Supposed
heat.
to use copper, but since it's such a shitty Sawzall blade, it doesn't really stick either. So.
Good enough, right? Like how it's complete opposites. So we got the 904 Now here we got the Jeep all beat to shit. All right, welding master Kyle right here.
Oh, the helmet's not staying on anymore.
Just close your attention. So Tyler's got sunglasses on, and so does Kyle. I found these, but I think these are for girls. So I don't know.
They definitely are.
Here we laid all the plastic down.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna mask everything off, take some parts off, and give it a wipe down with acetone. So back to fast motion. Good, coming out good. Nice, good. Doing some more masking kind of off camera. Don't want to bore you guys, but there it is. Got Tyler masking the window here. All right, guys, so we're getting pretty good progress. I'm gonna go grab some pizza and they want some beer. Damn, the Mountain Mike's delivery car has seen better days. You already know. You gotta get that pizza freaking buckled in. Don't want it to fall out.
Yeah, dude. However, we don't pour it into here yet until we do the catalyst. The first mixing is going to be in here.
Mix this first?
Yeah.
Pour it back in.
The screwdriver go on there. I would really hate. There we go. All right. So now we're gonna pour this in, color concentrate. In it goes. And they say there's gonna be leftover in there. So to get it all out, we need to get acetone. You wanna bring me the acetone? It's on the other side of the Jeep.
I'll start slow. Mix it in there first?
Yep.
I'll leave it on the timer for 45 minutes.
Hold the bucket somewhere. It doesn't spill it all out. Ooh, yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. And all that pour it out.
Do a nice light coat the first time, right?
Ooh,
The fuck is it purple?
Yeah, that's the catalyst. All right, pour it in. Dude, there's some Nickelodeon colors right here, guys. A little throwback.
You have a permit to paint vehicles in your driveway. Fuck you, Terry. Yeah, I do. Don't worry about it. Of course, we're not
Does
fucking
this
ready.
look? There it is. First shit going on.
That's orange.
Here we are, guys.
Ready for round two.
Yeah, here's the first coat. We timed the daylight wrong, but
Yeah.
we're committed now. We're committed now. But overall, coming out pretty good. What do you think about it?
It's orange.
It's orange.
I'm making it orange.
Sure, yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, we're gonna start doing second coat. We're gonna have Jake behind the camera, just kind of getting all the action and stuff. So let's get to it.
Safety first.
I might as well. My hands are already.
Safety
Half
first.
that jug. Got a full other cars worse in there.
Yep.
Because like the chemical's already been mixed. It's just because it gets kind of thick.
Yeah.
Cool.
What do you think?
It's dark now. We fucked up.
In it to win it.
Yep. Too far in to stop. Cool. Yeah. The neighbors are definitely gonna hate us. Even
It's
more
not
than
3 in the morning yet, boys. Let's get her done. Come on. We just gotta add this fucking yeah, baby. Look at that. That's not safe. That's stop. stock right there. Uh-huh.
I just look dirty as fuck.
Shut up.
Okay.
Remember, guys, for a bigger one. This is the bigger one.
All right, guys, it has now been 24 hours since we applied this coat. Now it is ready for us to scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite, mask everything off. We're gonna take off some things that we didn't want to paint that we noticed just didn't look as good, like that roof rack. We're gonna take it off, paint that black. Those mirrors gonna get painted black, and then that's about it really. And then we're gonna scuff it up and then apply another coat, because as of right now this Jeep only has 1 gallon of paint on it, so we need to do the other gallon on it. That way it's super thick. It's a little cold right now, so we won't apply it just yet, but yeah, overall pretty good. All right, so here Kyle's masking again on this side. We're about to scuff up this surface and apply the 2nd gallon of paint. All right, Kyle's just giving it a nice scuff here for the 2nd coat. All right, the entire Jeep has now been scuffed up. Kyle's just gonna rinse it off, then we're gonna let it dry. Okay guys, so there it is. We have applied part of the 2nd coat. I mean, realistically, this should all be done at once, but unfortunately, like I said, we ran out of daylight the other day, so we went through 1 gallon. Now we're doing the 2nd gallon. What we did to prep it between both stages was we simply just scuffed it up a little bit to where the surface got dull. We masked it off, washed it down real quick with just water, and then we started rolling again. And I must say, after having 1.5 gallons of paint on this thing now, it is much brighter than it was yesterday and a lot thicker, and it's just the texture is just forming a lot nicer. So yeah, now we're gonna let this dry here for about 2 hours. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Click on the icon on the right to subscribe and click on the left to watch the next video. Thank you.